Creating an interactive and converting UX design is a continuous process. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of creating a remarkable UX design. It all starts with research and discovery. By conducting detailed research on the business model, users, and technology, you lay the foundation for your UX design. Once you have gathered the necessary information, it's time to create the website's basic structure. Through information architecture, you organize the information and guide users towards the site's goals. Content also plays a crucial role in UX design. Whether you're evaluating existing content or creating new content, it should be relevant, engaging, and consistent with your brand. A well-designed sitemap provides a visual plan for your website's pages. It helps you define the homepage, arrange content, and ensure accessibility for users. Effective navigation is essential for users to find their way around your website. Clear page titles, breadcrumb navigation, and prominent call-to-action buttons help users understand where they are, how they got there, and where they can go next. When designing your webpage, consider the header, central content area, sidebar, and footer. Each zone serves a specific purpose in presenting your content and engaging users. Additional elements like calls to action, forms, and search bars enhance user experience. Keep them simple, relevant, and visually appealing to help users complete tasks efficiently. Visual design is crucial for creating a great first impression. Choose a color palette that is legible, accessible, and aligned with your brand identity. User testing allows you to observe how users interact with your website. Formulate test questions, choose the right methodology, find suitable participants, and analyze the results to gain valuable insights for improvement. Remember, creating a remarkable UX design is an ongoing process. Keep testing, improving, and optimizing your website even after it goes live to provide the best user experience. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into creating an interactive and converting UX design. And don't forget to visit our website for additional resources.